Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: privacy glass, black door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power door locks, compass, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.